ଦିନ ବିଶ୍ୱାଳ ଆସିବେ।
स्टूडेंट को से तो लिंक अच्छी स्टूडेंट को
Okay. So first click on the create new account. So after setup of your server, you have to click on create new account. So you have to give all the details as required by the field, your username, your password. The password will be as per the policy. The password must have at least 8 characters, 1 digit, 1 lowercase letter, and at least 1 uppercase letter and 1 non-alphabet special character. So your email address, a repeat of email address, first name, surname, city, and country. So after filling this form, you have to click on create my new account. So after clicking on this, you will get a link in email. If you will not receive the link in the email, you will be registered and you will be an enabled user after the system admin will approve your account. Okay, so it is depending upon the system admin. Once system admin approves your account, then you will be one registered user. So after registration, you can log in to the server by using your username and password which you have provided at the time of registration. So here I have registered as my name. So here I am login. So after login, you will get this page. So to create a new course, you have to click on site administration. So remember this. In the left side, you will get the navigation bar. In the end of the navigation bar, there is site administration. So you have to, after login to the server, you have to navigate to site administration for creating one online course. So this is site administration. I'm clicking on that. On the site administrator, courses is there. So you have to click on the courses. And under courses, there is one link, manage courses and categories. So when I'm clicking on that, manage courses and category, so the course category is miscellaneous. You will click on this miscellaneous. So in this miscellaneous, all the earlier design courses will be available. Along with that, the link for create a new course is also there. So as a new faculty, you are registered. So create new course. Let's say new course name is management. Create a short name for this course. You can give the code of management. These are not mandatory. So if you have any entries to fill, then fill. If you don't want to fill, don't fill. Just click on this save changes so that one course for management will be created. Right. So this is now the course management is created. So click on turn editing on. So after creation of the course, click on turn in the right corner. You will find turn editing on. So click on turn editing on. So editing to your new course will be available. So new forum, that is management. The subject, the course is management 1. So I'm adding an activity to this management 1. So here you will find add an activity to or resources to this management 1 new course. So I'm clicking on add an activity or resources. So here in the activities, you can give assignment to the students, you can chat with students, you can give a question, choice-based question to the students, you can provide database, you can add in external tools. And important is we are going to conduct the examination. So quiz is the better choice to conduct the examination, online examination. So click on quiz and add quiz to your course. So here, let's say we are going to conduct the class test 2 for this quiz as a quiz. So here I am naming this quiz as class test 2. So if you want to put timing, if you will pick the timing of the quiz, then you can give the grade, anything. So here I am not adding all these, I am just going to conduct a simple quiz. So I am saving it and I am returning to the course. So here, now the class test 2 is created. In the class test 2, I want to add some questions. And it is better to always add the multiple choice questions. So in class test 2, you can add questions. No questions has been added yet. So edit quiz. Click on edit quiz to add a question. So here at the time of adding a question, you can give the maximum marks. So I am requesting you to give the maximum mark 15 as decided. If more marks will be there, so we have to adjust. We have to do some calculations after that. This is depending on you how much mark quiz you are going to conduct. So I am making it 15. Okay. So the basic idea for quiz making. Are the multiple choice, calculated multi-choice. Next, default management. So question name is one. Question text. So what is the question? So if you want to add in, madam, just tell me one question. So which question you want to give? What is economics? No, not define. Only multiple choice, madam. Okay. Define economics. Okay. Define economics. So the answer is here. Default mark is, let's say, 5. Choice 1.
Exchange of goods and services.
Exchange of goods and services. Grade 100%. Okay. So choice 2.
Coverage of excess money.
That is false, huh?
Second option.
Huh?
Coverage of excess money.
Coverage of excess money. Then choice 3.
Standardizing the economy or balancing the economy.
Standardize. Okay. So okay. So it's okay. No issues. Question name 1. Define economic. Default mark this. There should be at least one wildcard. Okay. Exchange of none. Okay. Default mark 5. Question number 1. It's okay. Conclusion. One of the choices should be 100%. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question name. Right. ABC. Right. 100%. 100%. Okay. Okay. Edit. Add a question. Calculated. Multiple choice. Okay. Next. Question 1. 1. What is economics? So then answer. Default mark 5. 1. 5. Then choice 1. Exchange of goods and services. This is grade is 100%. Then question number 2. Balancing economy, none. Choice 3. It's okay. So two options can be given. Save changes. Okay. So let's say only one question is there. You can add the 2 questions. You can add 2 questions. So no issues are there. So now the quiz is created. So we have discussed how to create a course, how to add some materials to the course, and how to create a quiz. Now after creating the quiz, we have to enable the users. Okay, we have to enable the users to access to avail these quizzes. So to enable the user, this is very important so that the students can able to access the quiz. So we have to click on the course management, and we have to go to the users. Okay, go to the users. Under user, there are a number of options. Enrolled users. So here, if we click here, we can find out the list of enrolled users. And number 2 is enrollment methods. We can create a number of groups among our students. We can give them permission, and other users also can view if we give permission the quiz. So important is enrollment methods. After creation of the quiz, we have to click on enrollment method so that the students can register. So after clicking on enrollment method, we'll find name, users, opt-down, edit, all these options are there. So self-enrollment of students, we have to enable it. We have to enable, how we will enable it? Just see this I. So we have to click on this I to enable. So self-enrollment of students, we have to enable this. Now it is enabled so that the management paper, in management paper, the students can enroll themselves. Okay. So now the management course is created. The quiz is added to the management course, and we have enabled this, means the students can register themselves. So now the work of the faculty is over here. So I'm logging out. Now we have to enroll as a student to attempt the quiz. So once again I'm clicking on login. So as a student we have to log in. Student. Now for the students, so here I will log in as a student. So here for the students, all the courses are available, and it is required to enroll for the subject. So here I am clicking on management. So management paper that I am going to attempt the quiz for management. So clicking on management. So first this self-enrollment is enabled so that this link is there. So if self-enrollment is not, or the student is not enabled, so this link will not be displayed. So we have to enable it so that the student can view this enroll me link. So then the students have to click on this enrollment link. So once the student is click on that link, so the quizzes are available for the student. So management class test 2 is available for the student. So now if the student will click on this link, so this link will be provided, attempt the quiz now. The student can attempt the quiz anytime. So attempt the quiz now. So if you click on this attempt the quiz now. So what is economy? Balancing economy or exchange of goods and services. So suppose this is the correct answer. Only one question is there. So submit all and finish. So submitted. The correct answer is exchange of goods and services. So now for the student part, that is over. The student has given the quiz. Now it is our part for the faculty to find out the result. Okay. So for the result, once again the faculty have to log in to this system. Management class test 2 result. So only one student was registered and he got 15 marks. So it will display all the number of students, all the details, how many students have attempted this test and the marks. So here two things are there. One is for the teachers and another is for the students. So first the teacher have to register themselves. Then the system admin have to enable all the teachers. Then once the teacher is enabled, the teacher can create the course, can add the quizzes, can add the assignment, can add the subject, add the different subject material. And the student have to enable the quizzes so that the students can enroll themselves for the quizzes. So once the teacher enabled this, the job of the teacher is over. Now it is time for the students to attempt the examination. So now the students have to log into the system and can attempt the quizzes. So after the quiz, the teacher can log in to check the result. So I hope this session is self-explanatory. If you are interested, if you want to ask any questions, so you can ask, so that I will try to clarify your problems, any issues. Okay, so any questions? So you can again. मैडम सर टाइप जोटा करी सेठी कॉपी करके आनी पेस्ट कर देबनी वार्डरोब हां हां हे परियो आज्ञा आज्ञा मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन फिट होबनी आपण आपण मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन फिट हबो आपण सेही वाला क्वेश्चन ता मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्टिव मल्टीपल चॉइस हो करि परिबेनी आपण मैथमेटिकल क्वेश्चन लिखे पिल्ला तांगर आंसर लिखे इमेजेस आपण आपण हाथ रे लिखि त फोटो उठे की इमेजेस दे पीडीएफ नहीं आपण जेपीजी करि परिबे आपण ओटे काम करंतु आपण तो क्वेश्चन टा अपन खाता रे लिखिकी ताको फोटो उठे के देबे जदी इक्वेशन अछि तो 10 टा तो क्वेश्चन देबे कि 5 टा क्वेश्चन देबे झमेला का हां अपन हाथ लिख दे फोटो उठे देबे सेठी दे देबे से माने आसी से फोटो से रह क्वेश्चन पाकर हां हां आज्ञा पीडीएफ हे परिबो पीडीएफ रे असाइनमेंट हे परिबो पीडीएफ रे असाइनमेंट हे परिबो so you can give the question in the chat box you can give the question in chat box so that I will try to explain so once again I am reviewing this process so first login as the faculty outhare go bro okay so first of all the faculties have to register all the faculty members who are not registered to the Moodle software server again कौन भाई अब भूलिए जदि अपन सिस्टम मैनेजमेंट को कांटेक्ट करियो से अपन दे देबे यूजर आईडी okay so I am repeating the process so if you are not registered faculty so create new account by clicking on this link provide the data and then click on create my new account so once your account is created and enabled by the admin so you will be able to log in so then use your user ID and password to log in into the server after login this screen will be there so step 1 so if required please note it down in the last of the navigation bar in the left side site administration is there so after login to your system please note it down this is site administration so click on site administration for the courses and after clicking on courses manage courses and categories so when you click on manage courses and category click on miscellaneous so under miscellaneous you can create a new course so all the courses are available and you can create a new course so I am creating a new course for Java programming so we can use the subject code here suppose Java 001 if you want to give some other categories so programming visible to show to all date when you are going to start the course everything if you want then you can provide some course file and then save changes clicking on save changes the course for Java programming will be created केते दिन नेबे कोन करिवे सेटा आपनकर क्विज तो एबे करिवे ना तो आपन जदि चाहउतनी क्लास आरंभ होई जिवो आपन असाइनमेंट रे के दवा पे सेटा कोर्स समरी दरकार अपन 10टा क्लास नेबे 10 दिन पर अपन एई दिन आपनकर एग्जाम करिवे एई दिन करिवे जो शेड्यूल plan out everything so not record for you now we are concentrating on the quizzes okay so here ना ना सेटा आपन करे हां सेटा पिला भी देखि परिबे आपन को प्लान आउट पिला भी देखि परिबे आपन केबे क्लास नेबे केबे आपन क्लास टेस्ट नेबे केबे क्विज करिवे सब पिला देखि परिबे आपन को प्लान का सब देखिबे पिला आपन जोटा पिला को एनाबल करे पिला सीधा देखिबे आपन क्विज टा एनाबल करे पिला क्विज टा देखले आपन को प्लान का एनाबल करे आपन को प्लान टा पिला देखिबे ହେଲା ଆମେ ଏବେ କୁଇଜ ଉପରେ କନସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ କରୁଛୁ ଅନଲାइन एग्जामिनेशन recording is already recording yes so turn editing on okay so to this java programming so we have to add any activity or resources means you can provide your class notes or you can add a new quiz or class test add an activity so activity can be assignment can be anything so here suppose that is quiz okay so I have added one quiz now quiz name is let's say class test timing layout anything we can give save and return to the course right so click on the class test so no questions has been added yet so edit quiz add a question so question means question is a multiple choice question is a multiple choice question then question name is question number 1 what is Java choice 1 the programming language and we have to make grade 100 if that is the correct answer if that is not the correct answer then that will be none so choice 2 it is a software so this is grade is none save changes add another question multiple choice question name is 2 what is oops choice 1 object oriented programming choice 2 object oriented programming that is 100% choice 2 structured programming none so save changes now the class test is created now we have to go for the users class test again yes you can give you can give grading has grade class test 2 the student user ta photo जो student user जो था edit setting subject so it users enrollment method so you have to enable it okay so after enable then the work is over So we have to log in as a student. The student login. Student will log in and can give the test. Student admitted. Okay. So student Java programming. So student is not enrolled for Java programming. Student have to enroll itself, so that the quiz will be available. The class test is now available. Attempt the quiz now. So to what is Java? Java is a programming language. That is correct answer. What is got a wrong? Got a wrong there. So, next. So submit all and finish. Submit all and finish. Wrong. One is correct answer and another is the wrong answer. So now student has given the quiz. Now we have to log out. Log in as faculty. Java programming. Quiz. Class test. Results. 50. 5 marks. 10 marks out of 10, only 5 marks are been correct. So in this way.
Can a student find out instantly what is the wrong answer?
No. Instantly. Which one is wrong, which one is correct? So देई साला पर तो पाई जाऊँ ना.
When you do not erase the previous one.
हाँ. तो मीटिंग का तो क्लोज है गला already 40 minutes है गला. Okay, so webinar is over already because of the timing constraint of the Zoom. So I can now take your question. Recording तो पठे दिए अभी आउकन कौन दो हाँ recording तो है ना अच्छी चाली की तो बोले सॉरी गलो बोले Allow participants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 आर कॉलेज ना ना अछंती ना एटी तापसी मैडम अछंती 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 हां प्रियवदिनी विश्व चारि ममता आगे सर किसी क्वेश्चन अच्छे सर किसी क्वेश्चन पचारिबे नहीं साउंड कटिनी आपण सुबन आपण देखु साउंड कटिनी साउंड अच्छे नहीं नहीं ग्रुप नहीं मोर चलती सर किसी क्वेश्चन अच्छे Sir, you can use the chat box. Chat. Please use the chat box. Yes. Yes, you can. By clicking on results. हाँ ठीक है. We can know the results of individual students. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. नहीं मैडम एटा हमर जदि किछि डाउट अछि मु इठी एक्सप्लेन कर देबे.